Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will be creating the layout for the 8-ball app we will be creating. The first thing we're going to do is go into activity main. We're going to bring in a text view. This text view will say 8-ball. The background will be a light orange. And the text size will be 36 SP. The text color will be black. And the text style will be bold. The text size is how big your phone matters, because it's just going to be the title of the app. So because this is a pretty big phone that I'm using for a Android Studio, I'm going to make this 46. Fits my phone. Then we are going to attach the sides of the text view on both sides, and we're going to attach the top one to the top side of the parent. Parent is the whole phone. Then we're going to add another text view. In this text view, it will say for tomorrow. The text color will be black as well. The text style will be the same size as the first one. And the text style will be bold. The background will be yellow. We'll attach the top to the bottom of the 8-ball text view. And I'm going to put it on both sides as well. After that, we're going to bring in an image view, and we're going to put an 8-ball there. I already have all these images set up. You can use any image that you want for these places. We'll put the image right in the middle. We'll make the width of it the same as parent. Connect the sides to the parent, and we'll bring in two other text views. This text view will be a white sand logo. We'll make it right on top of the 8-ball. And we're going to connect the 8-ball top under for tomorrow. Then we're going to connect the white sands image side to the left side, and then connect the top one under for tomorrow. Connect the bottom one by the 8-ball. Then we're going to make the side to 36. We'll copy this image and paste it. We'll drag this one to the other side, and the same thing would be 36. It's now in the middle. We will go into the background for the parent and change it into a light green. This green will work perfect. After that, we are going to drag down 3 buttons. They're all going to be connecting to each other. The first one will be on the bottom of the 8-ball image, and the two sides will be connecting to the sides of the parents. We're going to do all of them. Same. And the middle and the last one on top will be 28 away from the original one. This will also be 28 for the top one as well, away from the image. And we'll make all of these width match the parent. And we will make the sides 2 inches away from the parent side. After that, we're going to go into the first one, and the text will be English. For the text size, we are going to do 28 SP. The text color will be white. Text style will be bold. And the text color will be blue. So after we did that, we are now going to the second one. We are going to name the text the same one, text size, the same. It's also going to be bold. And this one's going to be black. This one's going to be black. That will go into Google Translate. We'll type in Korean. And we're going to copy this text, and we're going to place it for the text in this button. Then we're going to change the background to white. After that, we're going to the last one. We'll change this background to a dark green. We'll change the size of this into 28. The text style bold. And the text color red. Light. Dark red. You can choose any type of red. And I'm going to choose a light red. And if you choose a light red, just make the green a bit lighter so you can actually see the text. After that, we're going to go back into Google Translate, type in Spanish, go into the Spanish tab, and type and copy Español, the second one. We'll go into the text for the button and change it into the Spanish word. After that, we'll go into a project. We'll go into Res and Layout. Left click Layout. Go into New and Layout Resource File. Click onto that. After that, we'll name this file. We're going to call this file Game. So it's the real game of this app. We're going to click OK. And it makes us a new file, just like Activity Name. So after we did that, we're now going to create the game. So in this text view, this one will say, tomorrow you will be, stuff like that. So for this ID, we're going to write the feeling view and the feeling so we know what we're going to name it. We are going to put this size into 23, text style into bold, and the text color into black. We're going to make this color background the same as first one. So it's going to be the same light green on both activities. So we're going to go into the background for this one. And there we go. These questions will be the same color as the 8 ball. And we'll go for this one into, let me copy the text. We'll copy the background for it, and we're going to change it for the background. After that, we'll write tomorrow you will be we'll make this connected to the layout. We'll make this 6 places apart. We'll make the text size a bit bigger. We'll do 28, and we'll go into split code for this text view. We're going to write text alignment center. Then it's going to see that something's wrong. We'll Alt enter it, and we'll set gravity center horizontal. Now the text will be right in the middle. After we've done that, we can move it a bit up to make room for the other ones. And this say tomorrow you'll be. And we need a answer to pop up. We'll bring another text view, connect it to both sides, and connect to the bottom of tomorrow you'll be. We'll drag it 40 down, or what's under it just a little bit. The text color will be black. And we'll just write a one in there which will be happy. Just for example, the text size will be 28. And the text style will also be bold. Then we will go into the background and we'll change it into a neon yellow. We want a very bright yellow. And the text size, we're going to make it just a bit bigger because it's one of the answers. And maybe let's make it into 40 SP. After that, we're going to bring another text view. This will be the lucky numbers. We'll do it right under it. We're also going to try to do the same amount as it is in the bottom for happy. Mine is 40, so it's going to be away from it by 40. In this text, it's going to say your lucky number, your lucky numbers are, we'll make this text color into black, text size 28 SP, and text style into bold. We'll copy the same color that we used for the other question. We'll use it for this text one. Then we'll go into this one, make the width equal to the parent and 6 away. So after we have 6 away, we'll go into the split code, and we are going to change this text into a center text so it can look nicer, and we're going to change the gravity as well. Center gravity. So this ID for happy will be answer, and this lucky number question will be answer or number. So after we did that, we are now going to do the numbers. These numbers are going to be in a grid layout. We're going to go into a split, and we're going to type grid layout. Grid layout. This grid layout will wrap around the content. It is in. So this grid layout is going to contain row count 2 and column count 5. We'll drag this grid layout under lucky numbers and connect it to both sides. Change the width back into wrap content, and we are going to add buttons inside, no, not buttons, text views inside of this grid layout. First thing we're going to do is type in text view. After we type in text view, we're going to add the layout width and layout height, and we are going to put it inside. For this text, we're going to look at it to see how it is right now. We're going to make the text size maybe 42 SP. Make it maybe 35 dp by 55 dp. Then we can make this background. We can go back into design and make this background white. We'll make this text into black, so text color black, and we'll do the text alignment center, the gravity as well for center horizontal. Then we'll have an ID for this. This ID will be called first num. We'll copy this text view, enter 4 more. This will be second num. This will be third num, and this will be fourth num. And finally, the fifth num. And we need to write the rows and columns or it's going to get all messed up. The text width, I think I'm going to make it a bit bigger, maybe 45 dp for the text width for all of them. After it's 45 dp, we are going to write in the rows and columns, because if we don't, it might get messed up. Layout row will be 0 for the first one, and layout column will be 0. Then we'll copy this layout row and layout column and put in all of them. The row will be the same, but the column won't, so it's going to be 1. The row will be the same, the column won't, so it's going to be 2. A third one, and the fourth one. After that, we are going to copy fifth num into the lucky num. This num will be the same one, but this row will be 1, and the column will be 3. So it looks like I messed up a bit. I set the background for the grid layout into white, but we just set the regular text views, each text view, into white. But the last one, lucky num, will be red. This lucky num will be red. If you want to make it a bit bigger, you can. I did it 55 by 65. And with all the text, we can now take away the text because we don't need it anymore. Text size 42 would be the same for happy, so it can be the same. We don't need the text for happy anymore. And for the text size, we will put text size 45, and we'll make the width into match parents, and we're going to make the size we're going to change the width to 266 dp and height 59 dp. And when we write in the text happy, we need to make this text into the center, text alignment into center, and gravity into horizontal. So now that we have that, we'll go write in another text view. After that, we'll bring this text view to the bottom of it and make this into 40, because that's how much I put it away from this one. In this text view, we'll write add your add your lucky word. So they can add the word, the lucky word. This background will be the same as the other ones. This text view will also be 28 SP. The text style will be bold, and the text color will be black. And we are going to make this match parent for the width and 6 apart from the sides. We're also going to go back into the split code, and we are going to write text alignment so we can put it in the middle so it can look nicer. Gravity, center horizontal. After we have that, we can go to text and put in plain text, which allows them to type in. We connect this to both sides. And for this text, we will take out name. We'll take out the ID and we'll put in add word. Okay, add word. And for the hints, which allows them to answer them, that they can answer easier, we are going to say type your own word. Now let's type your own word. We'll make the text color black for them. The text size, we can make it 25 SP, text style into bold. And we can make this, type your own word, for yellow. We can make it a bit bigger. Text center will also be the center. Text alignment will be center. And the text gravity will also be center horizontal. We'll make this into wrap. The height and for the width, we'll bring it out. We would do 6 apart, and we can maybe make the text a bit bigger. 8, so you can type your own word, and you can see what your lucky numbers are, and you can see what you feel. So this is making the layout for both the game and the title. Next video, we'll be connecting the buttons to each of the classes. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe. Bye!